Arpeggio, 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 arpeggio.
In today's vital episode, with the help of the phasor filter types, we're gonna create some arpeggiating sounds that will have a really nice glassy or metallic texture to them. This clip is edited from one of my webinars at the Future Media Academy. Links to that in the video description. Yalla, let's go. So yeah, let's create modulation like this, or something that we can step up or down. Holding the shift key will allow us to write steps into the LFO shape. These types of filters sometimes work better with a noisy type of source in the oscillator. As you can see, I have muted already the normal oscillator, and we have only signal from the SMP one, the sample one. This is an easy way to create arpeggios with different textures. It doesn't have to be the actual pitch of the oscillator that is doing the heavy lifting of the sound, let's say, right? But the filter. From the factory, I was gonna say only these two come together. No, the factory of the Glochgunk. These are I downloaded for free from the internet. I found, and then these I added from my own libraries. But these two are gonna be there by default. Open up the data. Different filters will produce arpeggios like that for sure, but not with quite the same texture, no? Like this. For example, if I do it with high resonance, any filter will sound like it's retuning the sound to that sense. We try modulating, for example, harmonic stretch or some other parameters to create that same that kind of texture, no? More leadish type, but nice. I like the sounds that are like a mixture, no? That is not exactly one or the other. So we will name this ARP lead or lead ARP, whatever you want to call it. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out my online classes in the Future Media Academy website and to follow me on Twitch. I stream almost every day. You'll find the links in the video description.